Welcome back, viewers. Praise God today, and I just want to take you through this journey again about making African music, ethnic African music, and I got introduced to a little program, and I'm still trying it. Last time I tried it, about 4 days ago, I wasted about 3 hours, and I lost all the music and the rhythm and everything. But this time we're going to do it again until we get it right. So I want you to go with me. This is the melting pot, and I'm going to put about, I want to try to put about 4 or 5 tracks for a change. Then we can see what we are doing here. Thank you. All right, let's see. I got to record this. Thank you.